Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you had a great weekend. My family got a chance to get outside and enjoy the nice weather, and I hope your family did as well. Here's BV Storm showing off that he's been working on his art project for Mrs. Knapp. Have you been working on your art project? So I'm curious to see what you guys were able to accomplish in your project this week. So we're going to put him away for now. Bye, guys. And now I'd like to talk to you about what our skills are this week. We are going to be working on word roots, prefixes, and suffixes and reading. So I want to go over those with you. Word roots are parts of a word that if you took it off, the rest of the word could not stand alone. So here's an example of a word root is rupt, and it means to break. And here's an example, erupt, which means that if a volcano erupted, it would break through the ground. Prefixes we're familiar with, they come at the beginning of a word. The example here I have is re, which means do again. And the example is reheat, which means you're going to heat the item again. The suffixes are parts that you find at the end of a word. I chose full here, which means full of, and the example is careful, which means you're full of care. The difference between roots and prefixes and suffixes, that is that in a prefix or a suffix, you can remove that part of the word, the prefix or the suffix, and the word stands alone on its own. So here, if you look at reheat, if you take off re, the word heat can stand by itself. It's the base word. Here in careful, if you take off full, the word care can stand alone as well, and care has its own meaning. So hopefully that helps you out with reading today. In math, I want to go over some skills with you. You're talking about strategies for addition. I want to go over some different strategies with you. And this one, you'll notice that here 3,999 is almost to 4,000. So I'm going to add the plus 1 to it. So I'm going to take away 1 from this bottom number and add it to the top number. So now if I rewrite it, it becomes 4,000 plus 4,672 instead of the 73. And now I've got all these zeros that I can easily add together. And then I add those up. So that's one strategy you can use. If the number is really close to carrying over to the next place, say it was like 2 away from it, 1 away from it, I would use this strategy. The next strategy is adding up each place. So I'm going to add the ones together, 9 plus 6, and get 15. Here I'm going to add the tens placed together, 50 plus 40, which is 90. Here I'm going to add the hundreds placed together, 200 plus 200, 400. And then finally I'm going to add the thousands placed together, 7,000 plus 3,000 equals 10,000. Add all those together and you get your answer of 10,505. There's the most traditional way that we are familiar with, and that is adding together and carrying it over to the next place. So we start in the ones place, we add those together, 9 plus 1 is 10. Because the answer has 2 digits to it, you're going to place the first one here, carry it over to the tens place. 1 plus 4 plus 8 is 13. Once again, it's got 2 digits in the answer, so you place the ones place here, carry that over into the hundreds place. 6 plus 1 plus 2 is 9, and then 5 plus 3 is 8 to finish that out. Those are 3 strategies that you can use on your work today. I hope both of those areas help you out with reading and math today, and I hope you enjoy your writing assignment. I can't wait to read those. I hope you are all doing well and off to a great start this week. Talk to you guys later. Bye.